You don't want to do the green pedal trail? No pedaling? Alright, you lead the way. He would want to make us walk again. Manualed out of that one. Whoa, Ryder, almost down. It landed kind of weird on one and almost went into the gigweeds there.
Did ya?
Oh yeah.
Felt pretty good for most of them. That's better than the jamboree went through, huh?
Yeah, I felt good until that one landing, then I held back a little. I don't know what it was. I don't know if I was just off balance in the air when I landed or what. All right. Jesus. Why did they get rid of this way? I like the old way. Oh.
I do what?
I like the old way.
I bet, because that way's too fast. Lock up the brake after the last one and slide by.
I like the old Woohoo! A little slick in there. eating Tanner's mud. Yep, that one probably scared him a little and he dialed it down a bit. You roosted it.
Huh?
You said you roosted that corner.
That was fucking scary as fuck. I thought I was sliding out. Then all of a sudden everything hooked up.
Yeah, I know you didn't do it on purpose.
No. That was fucking fun though.
That's when his knobs grabbed
Yep.
his corners.